must say it's a real privilege to be here. Millions from around the world are tuning in for the biggest final in club football, the Champions League final. I'm Derek Ray, my co-commentator is, as always, Lee Dixon, and with the atmosphere building up very nicely, we're just minutes away from kick-off time. It is Manchester City taking on Manchester United.
Good evening, what a pleasure it is to be here with you, Derek, sitting over this magnificent stadium with arguably the best two teams, well obviously the best two teams in this competition this year because they're in the final, and what a final we've got. The pitch looks fantastic, the crowd are expectant, there's the trophy just sitting there and the players in the tunnel just about to do what they do best, go out and play and entertain us.
It is the game that the world truly focuses on. The Champions League final. Only two teams left in the quest for European glory. Who's it going to be tonight, Lee?
Well, it's a toss of a coin for me. It's a really big night for everybody. All that hard work leading up to pre-season training, going through your domestic league, playing Champions League on and off, the winter break, all of that culminates in tonight. Very, very big night for everybody concerned. Supporters, but most so the players. They have to stay focused, play the game, not the occasion.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
And they're underway now in the Champions League final. We're about to find out which team is the best in Europe. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson between the posts. Kyle Walker plays with Benjamin Mendy as fullbacks. And the main forward crossing possibilities. Walker. Bernardo Silva. And it's Gabriel Jesus. In it goes for Manchester City, who strike first on this massive occasion.
Well, it's very important they carry on with the game plan now. First goal to Manchester City, carry on. Well, here we'll see it again. A lovely passage of pure quality passing. Fluid as you like. And when he gets through to the keeper, he just smashes it past him and gives him no chance to think. A lovely finish. Well, he's got to be delighted with his players, a big smile on his face. They've got the noses in front, they're in the lead, well done.
The opening goal of the game then. Matic. Pogba. No potential danger. De Bruyne. Here's Gabriel Jesus. Rodri. Gabriel Jesus. Really getting stuck in. Trailing as they are. What will be the thinking in the camp as you see it, Lee?
Well, United find themselves still very much in this game. Such fine margins, isn't there, between success and failure at this level. They need to stick to the game plan and hope it turns around in the second half.
No more time left. That is it for the first half here at the home of Tottenham. 45 minutes separating these two sides from glory. The second half of the Champions League final. Well, he's allowed his opponent to get past him. He continues his run. Has eyes for goal. And a goal to increase the lead in this final. Will they be stopped now?
Well, sometimes being at the right place at the right time gets you a goal. On this occasion, it's a simple goal from his point of view.
A chance to revisit the goal. second goal for them here. Matic. Lindelöf. Wan-Bissaka. Paul Pogba. So 20 minutes to go. Matic. Pogba has it. Martial. Bruno Fernandes. Fluency of movement. Pogba. Nemanja Matic has it. Paul Pogba. Matic. Oh, he's given it away. It's with Bernardo Silva. Gabriel Jesus. De Bruyne. Oh, he's really opened them up here. It could be the big moment for him. Is it going to be? And a goal! If there were any remaining doubts, that will settle the issue.
Derek, it's like the manager scored. He's one of the players all of a sudden. Great stuff. Well, here's the replay. He's done really well to get his head up and pick out a teammate. And all he has to do is get anything on it for a simple goal in the end.
The whistle goes in the final. And it will be a maiden Champions League trophy lift for Manchester City. The agony and the ecstasy.
Well, growing up as a young boy, Derek, as a Manchester City fan, I never thought I would see this night. The Champions League going to Manchester City. What a night. Forever in the shadow of Manchester United. Not this evening.
Fully deserving, and any second now these players will be presented with old big ears, as we sometimes call the trophy, Lee.
Yeah, I love this trophy. It's one of my favourites, so big as well. Not so sure how heavy it is, never got that chance to lift it, but these players are going to get that chance tonight. The captain first.
They've worked tirelessly, and now they have the Champions League trophy. Manchester City. What an achievement by all concerned. City, the best team in Europe.
Well, that's the party to be at tonight. Definitely follow those players.
And what would a celebration be without a chance to party with the fans?
I always find it's a little bit disappointing. You can't take the trophy into the fans and let them touch it.
A performance of fire as well as ice. They held their nerve when that was necessary. And these celebrations will run long into the night.